2007 Jaguar XKR. It's a stock. Stock sound decibels. At 100. Yeah, 100 was the peak. There you guys go. We'll let you guys hear what we get done with.
All right, guys, we got a 2007 Jaguar XK Type R supercharged 4.2 liter. Woo! She's sexy. Ahead of its time, guys. Look at this thing. Wow. I always loved the Jaguar symbol right there. They need to go back to that old symbol. Look at that. It's cool. Anyways, let me show you what we've done on it, guys. Factory converter there, factory resonator, and goes into a second resonator, and then goes out a second resonator, and then usually has that massive muffler on it. We'll show it to you guys in a second, but we took it off. It usually has valves on it there, but he's already deactivated all that line that comes on the valves, so to keep it open. But it wasn't loud enough, so what we did is we took the muffler off and ran him new tips, Natami tips, as you guys can see there and right there. And there's the stock muffler that was on it that we deleted. And there's that vacuum system I was telling you guys about, there and there. Okay, there it is. That old pancake muffler. Looks a lot better. Lost about 50 pounds of weight off of it too. So we're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, I like that. It's clean. Wow. It really opened up. There's sound decibels. Right at 110. It's very quiet at idle too, guys. Look. Barely anything, you hear it? One more? Wow. What a beast. 4.2 liter supercharged. We're gonna try to fit that muffler in there. He wants to stick it in. That's a little Yanko, Tim Merro. Now it's got an idle to it, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, that's
nice. What's up, BJ? That sounds nice. You like it?
Love
Do you approve?
Beautiful.
He approves. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sexy Jag, why not? XKR supercharged. Trying to get every kind of car on this channel, guys, for you guys, with some kind of muffler delete. Sounds good. I like it. Enjoy, guys.